Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys aren't interested, then definitely stay tuned. Before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by WIGMY. So thank you so much for bringing this video to my fabulous divas. But without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay divas, so jumping right in, we do have a unit from WIGMY. We have their 14-inch Kinky straight headband unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and unbox and let you guys know everything that this unit came with. I absolutely love their packaging. So here's the hair. The hair is beautiful. It's soft. I didn't get any shedding and tangling, but I feel like you will get it down the road. But yeah, here is the cap construction. So I did try to go in and curl this unit, but this hair was like, no ma'am. At first it was going good, but then like the deeper I got into taking off the hot rollers, I saw like, okay, this is gonna be a fail. But anyways, the unit is beautiful, so I am gonna go ahead and make it work for me, and then of course I'll finish out with my closing thoughts. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs, I'm here to come and tell you guys how I feel about this unit, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about that styling portion first. So as you guys seen, I did go ahead and use my hot rollers. I absolutely love hot rollers. They have been like my savior for years, especially if I'm going somewhere and I don't really have that time to like dedicate to my hair. I can just put my hot rollers on my wig. So I depend heavily on my hot rollers. But today, honey, this hair was like, no ma'am, I will not be holding any curl, okay? Because you guys see the curls just fell out. That is typical with kinky straight hair. So I wasn't too mad at it. I was just like, oh, okay. But yeah, so the curls did fall out. However, I feel like this hair would be cute if I would have just like flat ironed and bumped it. But I was just trying to do something different because I know I have shared with you guys kinky straight units on my channel before, so I kind of just wanted to do something different, but the hair has something else in mind. So let's go ahead and talk about the quality of the hair. The quality of the hair is really nice. This hair is very, very, very soft to the touch, and I just really love that. I love how luxurious it feels and looks. It looks very good. I also really love the density on this one. I feel like sometimes the kinky straight units, the density can go way overboard, especially when it's a shorter unit. It just, or even when it's any length, sometimes it goes way overboard, and I love the fact that this one has a natural density without being too thin or thick, so I really do appreciate that. I also really like how the unit is constructed. It's very comfortable. It does have maximum security. It has 3 combs in the front as well as a comb in the back, and of course it has the elastic Velcro. I did not use any of the security methods except for the Velcro elastic band. My head is big, so I typically don't have to anyways, but if you don't want to use comb to preserve your edges, I could totally understand, because I get a headache like if I use comb sometimes. So I would just recommend like getting like a wig grip or just not using the combs at all. But overall, this unit is very, very nice. I love how soft it is, and like I said, the density, and this hair is very, very nice and high quality, so I really, really do like that. So overall, I would definitely give this unit a thumbs up. I did not experience any shedding or tangling, which is really nice for a kinky straight unit. I don't know how it would do down the road, but so far so good. But yeah divas, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check the description box below. I'll be sure to go ahead and leave all the links you need to find out how to get this unit. So yeah divas, that's pretty much it. I do hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know, would you rock it? Would you purchase this unit? Do you like it on me? Just talk to me. I would love to know what you fabulous girls are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.